It's been amazing. We've had so much great support from people around Sligo. We're getting great numbers at our games. The sponsorship has been brilliant for the team this season. So there's a really good buzz around Sligo for the Women's National League games.
For everyone in the league and for all the girls playing, it's just an incredible achievement to be, I suppose, on the TV, and everyone is so grateful that TG4 are once again supporting growing the women's game in Ireland.
Yeah, it's brilliant for promoting the league and getting women's football out there. It's definitely needed in this country.
And I think as players it's kind of a little bit of a reward as well to see that it's getting bigger and better, because I think like each player works so hard, so it's such a big thing to us. But yeah, it's really good.
I think it's really important, to get the league the recognition it needs. It's obviously great that TG4 have come on board and broadcast some of these games, so it gives a chance of younger girls looking up that they have the opportunity to come along and play on national television, so I think that's quite important.
Yeah, I suppose it's exciting now. Last year we seen the impact it had, and we're really excited to be involved this year, so yeah, hopefully there'll be a few good games.
Look, even ourselves stepping into the final last year, the coverage and the media was absolutely excellent for it, and seeing the games on TG4 last year and then even more games on TG4 this year, it's great to see for the girls, because it's people that maybe mightn't see it who watch TG4 might pop in and see the women's football and see how well it's doing in Ireland.
I think it's fantastic to keep broadcasting all women's sport. It's not only just football, like every sport for women seems to be getting out there more and more, and it's fantastic to see.
All the young kids in your locality and stuff get to watch it, and they see the ads for it coming up on TV. They're thinking, oh look, I can watch Dervlo Peamount or Cairn with Peamount, and I can sit down on a Saturday evening at home and in my own house without having to travel up and down. I can just watch them, and it's really inspiring for them to see what they can kind of move on to as well when they get older.